Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Upwork. In order to verify your identity on Upwork, all you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, launch to your Upwork account. Once you're directed to your Upwork account, that's going to show you a pop-up where you actually need to click the verify link. So if you receive that, just go ahead and tap on it, and then it's going to take you to this kind of interface where you actually need to verify your identity. Along with that, you'll also be instructed on what documents and what sort of informations are to be provided in order to verify it. Go ahead and select it accordingly. Over here you can see you'll have to first of all provide in your document verification, and then the location verification and a visual verification. So briefly informing you about this, for the document verification, you'll need to upload an office government ID. That could either be your driving license, state ID, or a passport, whatever is convenient for you. After that, for location verification, you'll have to make sure that the location you provided on the following account should match with your ID as well. And for visual verification, you'll have to take a selfie or maybe a face verification. Make sure that your photo appears to be same as on the ID. And also, one of the important things, make sure not to use any props such as hat, caps, or whatsoever. And then you can click the get started button and you can begin with verification process. So in that way, you can verify your identity on Upwork. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.